Good afternoon, my name is Oliver Westmoreland. I'm a trainer and OISC specialist at Pacific Legal Training. I'm going to talk this afternoon about the following important matter and question. Why should you take an OISC Level 2 training course? Probably the answer, or the initial answer, is quite simple. Because this course, this exam is difficult. I'm not sure that I can say it's more difficult than the Level 1 exam, but it's supposed to be. Let me put it in a different sort of way. The Level 2 course is, the Level 2 exam is based around different areas from the Level 1 course. It might encapsulate some things from Level 1 knowledge, but it encapsulates important areas that do not come into the Level 1 the Level 1 exam. Asylum and protection cases. Level 1 knowledge only covers these subjects peripherally. They are main topics in the Level 2 exam, and correspondingly, Level 2 advisor can do this sort of work. Overstayers and illegal immigrants. Level 1 work can encapsulate that to some extent, but only minimally. A Level 2 advisor, a Level 2 firm can do these sort of cases, illegal immigrants, overstayers, as much as they like. Third important area, grounds of appeal. Level 2 person, Level 2 firm can prepare grounds of appeal to the first tier tribunal. They can't go beyond that. They can't represent at the first tier tribunal beyond that point, but they can prepare grounds of appeal. So really, the exam is more difficult, probably. It deals with more complex areas, probably. And perhaps, most importantly, more to the point, if you pass your Level 2 exam, you can actually do those areas of work. Now, I'm sure, as you will realise, if you're a Level 1 person, you're doing those areas that are prohibited, you are on the wrong side of the rules, and you may get punished. Level 2 advisor, Level 2 firm can do these kinds of work. And our Level 2 course at Pacific Law Legal Training, which of course is what I'm most particularly familiar with in the Level 2 training field, this is a one-day course, a virtual course. It includes looking at one past Level 2 paper. It also incorporates a few wild questions thrown at delegates, try and make them think, try and make their brains work. It is hard work. Some of the areas in Level 2 are very complex, but I've tried to, we've prepared our courses in a way to try and make things easy to understand, to break through the complexity. And as you've got a nice, complete handbook, you can come back to it the next day or the day after, maybe not in a year's time, but in a few days after. You can look at it, you can revise your understanding, you can try and strengthen your understanding. As always, we offer a sort of extra service. Once you've taken the course, you can come back in the future and ask us questions by email about any areas that you don't understand. We will try and provide the best answers for you, so it doesn't all finish when you've taken the course. It goes on into the future as well. I've given a brief outline of this subject. If you want to know more about this, if you have any questions arising from what I've said, please contact us at Pacific Legal Training, and we will try and answer your questions for you.